ekugcineni timkhalele umsolwa wathatha lokudama kubulala ngemsombuluko bakasidlodlo bathola incwadi legunyata kuboshwa kwemsolwa njengoba bekasuka agcwele emahlathi kuboshwa kwakhe kuda ngemuva kokukhala kwamalunga emphakathi kulandela lokuhlaselwa ngesihluku kwaDimakatho Letselane lo ngwethulo indaba yetinaba nabile kumsakazo iLisedi FM umsakati wangeniswa esibhedlela anemancaba ukugwaza lambalwa lokhuluma namaphoyisa eFree State Montatsi Makhele uthi umsolwa kulindeleke ukuthi avele enkantolo masinyane.
The team worked around the clock following all leads until early hours of this morning when they followed intelligence-driven information which led them to a house in Gauteng province. On Tuesday, 16th of February 2021, at about 10:30, the Free State team supported by Soweto Flying Squad arrived at the house in Enedale where they found the suspect in hiding. He was taken into police custody.
Umsolwa bakasolwa agcwele iganga kusukela ngelesithathu nemndeni uthi sewukhululekile kulandela kuboshwa kwakhe.
I'm so happy because he's arrested after having a sleepless night. From last week until today, I'm so happy and my sister, she's recovering.
Bantu abadimakatho basathola kululeka ngakwengqondo ligumbi libukele kuphatheka kahle kwe-70 ka-SABC.